transpositions to A major. Let's check on the notes for the 5 finger positions in A major. A, B, C sharp, D, E. Take the challenge to practice with crescendo and diminuendo. Crescendo means getting louder. Diminuendo means getting softer. So start with crescendo. Soft, get louder, louder, and the loudest here. Start from the loudest, get a bit softer, softer, and here will be the softest. The trick is that lift the finger, start from low, and get higher and higher when you reach up to the loudest part. And play slightly lower and lower and get lower here. Let me show you on the piano. That will be the loudest, and get lower and turn to softest. Enjoy your practice. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger drill exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!